just went viral.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're working on the KLX 110. I got some new stuff in for it. Let's see. I got to get this tire off because, as you can see, she got grip on the sides, but look at the grip in the middle. There is none. That's from that burnout contest. So I've got to take this tire off. I went with a different kind of tire this time. I went with a Duro. My local motorcycle shop had it, White Cycle and Marina here in Chattanooga. It's got a different style tread. They said this is a whole lot harder tire, so it should do good up at Windrock, but the teeth are real close together. They had a more aggressive one. I think Bubs is going to get it to put on his so we can kind of compare how we like the tires. But I love the tread pattern of that. There's a lot of tread there, so we'll see how that does. And then I also picked up a new cam gear that goes inside the rear brake. I need to change this out, and the brake arm. If you haven't changed these out in a long time and you've experienced flats and you've been taking it on and off, it's probably a good time to go ahead and change these two pieces right here out. So your back brakes work, especially if you're riding wheelies. So I got brand new those. I'm going to change those out as well. But first I'm going to tackle getting this tire off and get that one on, and then I'll come back and show y'all how to put this stuff on. But this stuff needs to be changed because you do not want to go down on a wheelie if you don't have a back brake. So see you after I get this thing busted off, probably 20 or 30 minutes. I got the rear wheel and everything off because I'm going to be changing that tire out, but this is the other part I'm going to be changing. The teeth don't look horrible on there, but as you can see the difference of how deep those are compared to that. It was slipping on this. I decided this has been in here since this thing was brand new, which I think it's a 2002, so it's old. So how to get this out? All you do is you want to take your brakes, you want to fold them in. Pull one up, pull the other one down like this. And then right here you slide it up off that. Leave them just like this so you can put them back on. So what you'll do is you can see how the top ones are notched and the bottom ones are flat. Just slide it back on that. I'll show you. But this, if it's tough, you can take and peck on it a little bit to break it loose. This should slide right out of there like so. You can see where that one is marred up, where it's stripping out. You see that? So it's definitely, take this stuff off and inspect it, because this side looks okay. And then you get back to this side and you can see how stripped it is. So here's the new one. You just slide it back in this hole like so, just like that. You want this at an angle here like so. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do this one handed or not. Let's see. Get it around the bottom one. It'll slide over. Fold back in. Get it where you need it to be. Fold it. So this one's still up. You want to go around that part, and you just work her into place there. Like so. So now if this turns, it's going to push those brakes out. So the brakes will be working. So super easy install on this. Now back to that dreadful tire. The tire on, it was actually not as bad as it usually is to get the tires on. That one, I set it out in the sun, let it get hot. It stretched right on there. We got a new cam in there and our brake arm. So all I gotta do is adjust the brakes. We're gonna go take this bad boy for a test drive and see how she does. Oh, and there's the police. I'm probably about to get in trouble. I'm gonna wave to him.
That's the sound of the police.
Hamilton County Sheriff just waved at me. You'll see it here live on Etard Adventures. Yeah! That's what I'm talking about. Hey, thank you for watching. I'm going to shut her down, and we will see you on the next live stream. And until next time, peace.